Hello dear friends. Nepal Rastra Bank exam conducted an exam on 30 Baishak 2080. This is first paper question. I collected both subjective question of 70 marks and objective questions of 30 marks with solution. Hope this content will help you and you will be satisfied by this video. Like and share this video with more friends and grow together. Thank you friends. Now, let's focus on question. Section A of 40 marks. 1. What is instruction format? Differentiate between RISC and CISC architecture. 2. Explain 4-to-2 priority encoder along with its truth table, logical expression and logic circuit. 3. Differentiate between parallel and distributed computing. 4. What is referential integrity? Explain how a many-to-many relationships is converted to relational tables using a suitable example. 5. What is ripple counter? Design a 3-bit asynchronous up counter using T flip-flop. Explain JK flip-flop with its characteristics equation, characteristics table and logic diagram. 6. Explain in detail the 3-tier client-server architecture in DBMS. Section B of 35 marks. 7. Make a comparative study between OSI and TCP/IP model. Suggest which one is better. 8. Discuss about classless inter-domain routing, CIDR, along with example. 9. Explain the process of remote procedure call in distributed system in brief. 10. Discuss about message authentication and hash functions. 11. Explain the concept of Kerberos authentication and describe the key components involved in the Kerberos protocol. 12. Explain briefly the homogeneous and heterogeneous distributed database management system. How do you solve middleware in distributed system? Illustrate taking the case of Korba. This is all subjective questions of 70 marks. Let's jump to objective questions. Multiple choice. 25 times 1 equals 25 marks. 1. Which of the following is not a function of the network layers? A. Congestion control. B. Error control. C. Routing. D. Internetworking. 2. What is required to use a simple network management system? A. IPv rules. C. Protocols. D. Servers. 3. The process of verifying the identity of a user is called A. Authentication. B. Identification. C. Validation. D. Verification. 4. All the resources are tightly coupled in the computing paradigm of computing. A. Cloud. B. Parallel. C. Centralized. D. Distributed. 5. What serves as the glue between Korba implementation and the org? A. Dynamic skeleton interface. B. Object middleware. C. The object adapter. D. Wrapper. 6. The non-occurrence of improper alteration of information is said to be dependability. A. Integral. B. Maintainable. C. Confidently. 7. HDFS works in A. Fashion. A. Master-slave. B. Worker-master. C. Slave-master. D. Master-worker. 8. A proxy firewall filters at layer. A. Physical. B. Data link. C. Network. D. Application. 9. Another name of Merkle-Hellman crypto system is A. RC4. B. Knapsack. C. Rijendale. D. Diffie-Hellman. 10. The process of dissipating the statistical structure of plaintext over bulk of ciphertext is known as A. Diffusion. B. Confusion. C. Permutation. D. Combination. 11. Which of the following is not a blockchain component? A. Ledger. C. Certification authority. B. Wallet. D. Hash. 12. Cryptographic hash function takes an arbitrary block of data and returns A. Variable size bit string. C. Constant size byte string. B. Fixed size and variable size bit string. D. Fixed size bit string. 13. Which of the following computer architectures is power efficient? A. INAB, CISC. C. ISAD, RISC. 14. The circuit used to store 1 bit of data is A. Decoder. B. Encoder. C. Flip-flop. B. Register. 15. MOV AX, BX represents addressing mode. A. Register indirect. B. Direct. C. Register. D. Register relative. 16. Basic steps of execution of an instruction is A. Fetch, execute, decode. B. Decode, fetch, execute. C. Execute, fetch, decode. D. Fetch, decode, execute. 17. What is the output of an inverter with respect to less positive input? A. Less negative. B. Less positive. C. More positive. D. More negative. 18. What happens when both input to rupees flip-flop is 1? A. Toggles. B. Invalid. C. Set. D. Reset. 19. The number of inputs in a half adder is A to B 8. C. 11. D. 32. 20. The set of tracks that are at one arm position make up A. A. Sector. B. Arm assembly. C. Cylinder. D. Block. 21. Compared to process, a thread has all of the following except A. Program counter. B. Register set. C. Access to shared memory space. D. Execution stack. 22. Distributed pervasive system is also known as A. User interface design. C. Graphical user interface. B. Ubiquitous computing. D. Peer-to-peer system. 23. Which of the following is generally used for performing tasks like creating the structure of the relations, deleting relation? A. DML. B. Query. C. Relation schema. D. DDL. 24. Which file organization technique is comparatively faster to access any arbitrary record? A. Ordered file. B. Unordered file. C. Hashed file. D. B-tree. 25. Primary index in sequential order file organization is also known as index. A. Dense. B. Clustering. C. Non-clustering. D. Sparse. Thank you. This is all 25 meters CQ questions with solutions. Hope everyone likes it and thank you for watching. Stay connected, friends.